once again we are back on Airborne Soch Ki Tea Talk, Train of and Thoughts, our third episode with the genius of an Indian rural connect, Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. Both the two episodes, we had an interesting story of Mr. Pradeep Lokhande, right from starting his career with multinational company, then his entrepreneurship journey, and then his own initiative as far as the rural relation which is concerned.
Bread and butter.
It's a bread and butter,
Yeah.
as rightly said by him. Now, here also something new, something innovative, something different. Always we have seen his story so far. He wants to do something different and in a creative way. Like there are the various initiatives what sir has
Yes.
taken. So can you throw some light on an Gyan relation? It's about we're talking about changing Bharat as such.
Yes.
So what is this Gyan is all about?
Gyanaki.
Gyan.
Prior to that, doctor, in 2001, I have taken a call.
Mhm.
And in that call, where the social entrepreneurship had started,
Okay.
then I was like, okay, I have required money. I have required everything. The definition of my house, the definition of how much money I have is Pradeep Lokhande's, not from the anybody else's definition.
Mhm.
क्योंकि वो लाइन बहुत थीन होती है भाई
Yeah.
कि कितना पैसा चाहिए, एक घर चाहिए, तीन घर चाहिए, एक गाड़ी चाहिए, तीन गाड़ी चाहिए, I don't know.
Correct.
But in 2001, again with my family and near and dear, I have taken a call. Henceforth, I'll spend 40% of my time to do the business. Only 40%. 40% time I'll do a social activity professionally. And I will not earn money out of that. And 20% teaching, again in that I'll not take money. And last 20 years I am following it rigorously. And in 2001, the first initiative we have launched, it's called non-resident villager. Non-resident villager. Anivasi Gramavasi Abhiyam. Every Indian is NRV. Either from father side or a mother side, you have a root somewhere or the other. Do something for that village and India will be changed India.
Oh.
It was a very simple concept.
Mhm.
NRV. Everybody is NRV. You stay in India or you stay in Canada. You stay here or you stay in America. Stay here or stay in Singapore. You are NRV. And if you do that village, आपको अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हर आदमी को जब अपनी गांव के आप याद दिलाते हो कि उसको गूंज आ जाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसको, वो इमोशनल हो जाता है. So with that concept, I have launched a program in 2001. Don't throw your old computer, give it to us. We will install that computer in a school where there is a computer as a subject of 100 mark, but they teach computer on a blackboard. Shame on all of us. गवर्नमेंट को गाली देना, इसको गाली देना बहुत आसान है, कुछ फायदा नहीं है भाई इससे. हम कर सकते हैं सब. वो अपना जगह काम करे, हम अपनी जगह काम करें. And believe me friends, I am now jumping doctor. A small entrepreneur like social entrepreneur like Pradeep Lokhande is instrumental to install more than 28,300 computers in 17,400 villages across 7 states. Done. And it is not Pradeep Lokhande talking about it, doctor. You Google it. It is in New York Times also. It is in Beijing Times also. You name it is in Tokyo Times also. You take any channel of the country, वो story दिखाए. It has happened. It has happened. छोटा सा अगर ये प्रदीप लोखंडे सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योर कर सकता है, हर कोई कर सकता है. But in 2010, we have stopped that down.
Okay.
Because गांव का छोटा बच्चा भी कहने लगा, क्योंकि पुराना कंप्यूटर देता था मैं. It was only for touch, try and feel. उससे मुझे कोई कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर नहीं बनाने थे. बट अगर मेरे बेटी को उसके टेबल पे मिलता है तो उसकी जो काउंटर पार्ट है गांव में उसे भी मिलना चाहिए. एंड व्हाई नॉट. इसीलिए हमने किया और वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. बट 2010 में बंद करें क्योंकि गांव का छोटा बच्चा भी मुझे कहने लगा, वेयर इज अ कलर मॉनिटर एंड वेयर इज अ माउस. इंडिया चेंज डॉक्टर. हम तब से डिसाइड किया कि henceforth विल टेक ओनली द न्यू कंप्यूटर. ओनली ओल्ड कंप्यूटर्स विल टेक फ्रॉम द आईटी कंपनी, क्योंकि उनके हमसे जो नए होते हैं उससे भी उनके अच्छे होते हैं. बट what we have done, we have connected to the secondary going school student of rural India. मैंने एक सोच बन गई है, और आप भी शायद उससे यू विल आल्सो एग्री विद दैट, कि अगर हमको इस देश को बदलना है तो वी हैव टू चेंज द मेंटेलिटी ऑफ सेकेंडरी गोइंग स्कूल स्टूडेंट. क्योंकि एनी हैबिट इनकलकुलेट इन ह्यूमन बीइंग बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 11 and 16, दिस वे और दैट वे. 16 के बाद उसको पंख आ जाते हैं, निकल जाते हैं वो. अब उसके बाद में नहीं सिखा सकते डॉक्टर उसको.
करेक्ट. कैच देम यंग.
कैच देम यंग. तब ये हमने कंप्यूटर देने की कोशिश की. तभी ये फिर ज्ञान की आ गया कि जब मैं, सब लोग कहते थे कि कोई पढ़ता नहीं है, कोई रीडिंग नहीं करता है. हाँ, मुझे पता है, सबको पता है ना, ठीक है. तो उसको हमने चैलेंज बोल के ले लिया और उसको नाम दिया, आई एम अ फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ अ ब्रांडिंग. वी इंडियंस आर लिटिल स्लो ऑन दैट. हमें करना चाहिए. वी आर बैड ऑन दैट एक्चुअली. हमें ब्रांडिंग करना चाहिए. तो जैसे आपने देखा रूरल रिलेशंस, एक शब्द से आपको पता चलता है, नॉन रेसिडेंट विलेजर, NRV मूवमेंट. इमेजिन NRV, आई एम नॉट अबाउट NRI, आई एम अबाउट NRV. अच्छा ब्रांड. तो इसका नाम दिया हमने ज्ञान की. ज्ञान इज अ संस्कृत वर्ड, इज अ नॉलेज. और उसकी चाबी, ज्ञान की चाबी हम देने की कोशिश करते. और इसकी टैगलाइन क्या है? रीड, राइट एंड स्पीक. कंसेप्ट इसमें भी सिंपल है. आई कैन बाय अ विंग्स ऑफ फायर फॉर माय डॉटर एनी गिवन डे, but my counterpart, who is a farmer, probably earning 5 times more than me, will never buy a wings of fire for his daughter. गांव में मिलता भी नहीं है, किताब मिलता भी नहीं है, और उसकी सोच भी नहीं होती है. बोलते हैं ये क्या किताब किधर से. अगर वो इस एज में नहीं पढ़ेगी, so she will not read it any time. So हमने सोचा कि हम बच्चों को उनके हाथ में किताब देंगे. And then I have traveled with my wife across the Maharashtra first, to understand, to meet the scientific approach, to meet the all stakeholder doctor, students, teacher, principal and parents. और पूछा भाई क्या पढ़ना चाहते हो, तो हमें पता चला कि सब खत्म नहीं हुआ है. एक छोटी सी बच्ची मुझे कहती है, I want to read a book on a snake. अरे मुझे उतनी खुशी हो गई, बोला चलो खत्म तो नहीं हुआ है. एक यूथ कहता है मुझे फोर्ट पे पढ़ना है. बढ़िया. And there are few books in Maharashtra which are famous. वो भी सब लोगों ने 2-4 नाम ले लिए. जैसे कि एक बटाट्याची चाट, ऐसा बुक का नाम है, वेरी फेमस बुक. वो पढ़ना है. शामची आई, वो पढ़ना है. ठीक है. हम वापस आ गए डॉक्टर, एंड इट इज अ पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोग्राम. प्रदीप लोखंडे सब पैसे नहीं दे सकता है. एंटरप्रेन्योर है, पैसे लेगा नहीं इसमें से, बट पूरे पैसे भी नहीं दे सकता है. सो इट इज अ पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोग्राम.
Engage public
Yes.
in this.
And any program of the world which is successful is public participation. You name any. So we have come back and we have created a set of books. और रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन किया फ्रेंड कि भाई लोग प्रदीप लोखंडे को कितना पैसा देंगे, तो 5,000 तक 6,000 तक दे सकते हैं, ज्यादा चैलेंज नहीं करेंगे. देन वी हैव डन द रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन कि इसमें कितने किताब आ सकते हैं. एंड बच्चों के दिमाग में आने वाला हर सब्जेक्ट का एक प्राइमरी बुक. इट कैन बी ड्रामा, म्यूजिक, सेक्स, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, यू नेम एनी सब्जेक्ट, एनी सेगमेंट, देयर इज वन प्राइमरी बुक. The objective of this activity, doctor, is two. One is increase the reading habit little bit. Increase the reading habit little bit. And the second objective is, if you want to keep the regional languages alive, this is one of the finest tool. And friends, all the donors of this Gyanaki library are female, and all the monitors of this Gyanaki library are girl student in a secondary school in rural India. And we are opening this library between 2,000 to 8,000 Popstrata villages, means 350 households. आपके मुंबई के और आपके भोपाल के या आपके हमारे पुणे के 2-3 बिल्डिंग, इतने छोटे गांव में ये खुला है. इसमें जैसे मैंने कहा हर सब्जेक्ट का ये है, बच्चों को किताब मिलेगा. एंड इट इज दिस एक्टिविटी इज एब्सोल्यूट ट्रांसपेरेंट. We give one register with this. In that there is an envelope. School writes to the donor saying that we have received so many books worth rupees so many. Lot of people are not ready to pay because they think that money is not reaching to the last mile. So we have find the answer to that. When you get a letter from a school, there is a school address, school principal name, his mobile number, connect him, and on a letter pad compulsorily. कंपल्सरी। बट आपने ये जो पैसे दिए हैं ज्ञान की खोलने के लिए, ये कोई ज्ञान की खोलने के लिए नहीं दिए, बच्चों ने पढ़ना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव गिवन देम मनी। सो इन एवरी वीक वी पुट अ पोस्ट कार्ड। So student writes back to donor saying that मैंने ये किताब पढ़ा, इससे अच्छा। The loop is complete. The first loop is complete because the money I have given, the books have reached there. Because I have a letter from a school and anytime you can connect to that principal, that school. And second, बच्चों से आपको लेटर आ जाता है। Friends, every working day we are opening 3 libraries. Every working day we are opening 3 libraries. In last 1,840 days, we have opened 5,170 libraries in 5,170 rural schools. Done. We have reached to 10 lakh students. 1 million. English mein 1 million.
Such a great.
But the success story, doctor, is not that to reach to 10 lakh students. But the success story, friends, is out of that 3,73,000 students have written back to us their analysis on the book. Yes, success story has. You can come to our office and see these letters by state, by district, by taluka, by village, by school, by subject. And out of that 3 lakh odd letters, we have laminated 2 lakh letters. 200 साल उसके ऊपर स्टडी चलेगा. It is done. And when we are opening the library in Telangana, it is in Telugu. When it is in Madhya Pradesh, it is in Hindi. वहाँ के अच्छे author कौन है? And the basic subject ऐसे. So we have opened the libraries in Maharashtra, but now we are in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. Done. So we want to reach to 94,000 libraries. Please, हमें आपका आशीर्वाद की जरूरत है, पैसे की नहीं, पैसे आते रहे।
Amazing. That's the genius of a rural India connect. एक जो सोच, एक बूंद सोच की, ज्ञान की like, when we talk in terms of read, write and speak. How you educate and empower the masses at the bottom end of a pyramid, जिसमें समय भी लगता है, जिसमें सोच भी लगती है और उसमें एक scientific touch भी रहता है, जो rightly a person like normally if he thinks in terms of giving back to a society, who really concerned like people at the bottom end of an pyramid, the relationship to what we had built over a period of our time, even while working for a multinational company, his thought was same, his relationship aspects was the same. And he was very clear what he needs to do. Now, as a social entrepreneur and as an entrepreneur, we're talking in terms of Gyan Ki, read, write and speak, a great initiative where I think, so this kind of efforts as a social entrepreneur, I think we need to have more and more Pradeep Pokhande.
Yeah, a lot of people doing a lot of good work.
Where we can transform in India in a much better, meaningful way. And all this requires the patience level which is there, the thought process which goes in, and the clear transparency. Now, what he did over in terms of getting the money from the donors, the connect between the principal of a school and the donor, and also the students replying back to the donor saying that they have read that particular book, which I think this circle which is there and the thought process which goes behind is of none other than our genius of a rural India connect, Mr. Pradeep Pokhande. So God bless you of this kind of initiative when we talk in terms of educating and empowering the youth at the bottom end of a pyramid. Still, when we talk in terms of 6,38,000 villages, there's a huge gap which is there, and there's a task. And I'm sure like there's a more people should come forward for this kind of an initiative. So that was one. Now then, about a village wiki, like
So village wiki is a very fantastic concept. It is what we have done. We have taken a Wikipedia base, and what we are doing is आजकल हर एक को जानकारी अपने लैपटॉप पे चाहिए, मोबाइल पे चाहिए. चलो ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है, no issues. So this is a concept where we are giving a rating of a village. Now, doctor, why we are so-called happy in urban India? Because we get 5 things. That's what we think. We think of 1, health, education, power, road and water. And the sanitation. That's why we are happy in urban India.
Urban India.
So these things, how they are getting, let him write. Who is writing that? The villager is writing that.
Villager.
Of these villages. So आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका देश कैसे आगे जा रहा है. And believe me friends, now if you go to our site, there is information of 67,000 villages. 67,000 villages. And I am really happy to share. I don't do crime business as I have told you. But that doesn't mean कि कोई कहेगा मैं इनकी बाजू इनका सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ उनका. No friends, this is a reality. और वो आप भी बदल सकते हो अगर रेटिंग बदलना है तो उसमें अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन देखोगे तो ऑलमोस्ट इट इज गुड. इट इज रोड्स चेंज हो रहे हैं तो ये जो है आपको पता चलेगा. तो एंड सपोज देयर इज अ विलेज and doctor and Pradeep Lokhande stays in the same village. Pradeep Lokhande says that in my village the health facility is good. ऐसे Pradeep Lokhande लिखता है. Doctor can change that and say that it is not good, it is average. You have a liberty to that.
Correct.
It is. And that information is available with a village wiki. और ये क्या है? Again connecting two dots. आप लंदन में हैं या आप छोटे से गांव में हैं, आपके पास सबके पास तो अभी ये है ही है और इंटरनेट ही है, तो आप तभी आपका गांव देख सकते हो. और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके गांव के लिए आपको कुछ करना है तो एक बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन आपको ऐसे आपके सामने आ जाए.
What a great. I think this kind of an information sharing, आज के जमाने में we talk in terms of and go on Google and get the information, but the hard work only the genius can put in terms of taking the first mover advantage. इन्होंने फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज लिया in terms of postcard man of an India, none other than Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. He took an initiative in being called as a library man of an India in aspects of an Gyan Ki, read, write and speak initiative लिया in a very creative and the scientific way which is there. And village wiki, like where the feeder villages, the rating which is done, like I think his target is around about 85,000
all the 85,000
villages which are there.
Yes.
Now, can you see the shift right from working with a multinational company? I think 36%, and then Hindi, English clarity was not there. Only we say we need a communication, we need to have this kind of an English communication. It's not that. How you communicate and make people understand and build up a relationship, that's more important. And how you're transparent and you're very clear in what you're doing. That makes a great transformation, and that's how when we talk in terms of a changing Bharat, you're connecting to and changing Bharat, which is there. That's the thing which brings a social change.
Yes.
Now here we have seen the two sides of an genius, Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. One is as an entrepreneur, another as a social entrepreneur. And the initiative what he has taken with a 100% commitment in giving it back to an society in terms of an Gyan Ki, which is I think education and the empowerment are the basic fundamental of lifting the India to the next level and getting more and more awareness. And where do I get an information of in villages, often feeder villages, which I think can only be done by the genius of a rural India Connect like Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. So it was a fortune of a tea talk where you spent your valuable time. And this एक बूंद सोच की आपकी हर एक जर्नी में जहाँ से आपने अपना कैरियर शुरू किया अब तक जो भी हमने 3rd एपिसोड तक आपके जो एक्सपीरियंस हमने कवर की है, एक बूंद सोच की से बड़ा दरिया बन सकता है. It can transform the Indian research.
True.
And it's you have got money for yourself, but what you're doing for in society in a meaningful way and touches somebody heart.
Yes.
Which like only doctor, I would say like Dr. Genius of rural marketing, Mr. Pradeep Lokhande can only do. So thank you very much for being part of NT Talk. And I'm sure if you also like the 3rd episode of Mr. Pradeep Lokhande, please go to www.ttalk.net. Please like, subscribe as much as you can. Wait for another episode of Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. Thank you very much. So thanks a lot for being part of it.
Thank you so much.